leyo ndoda iyastrugglisha kwi-streaming abayilaleli abantu ingoma zakhe hambe uye akanayo ingoma elalelwe over 1 million hambe uye ku-YouTube uye ku-Spotify uye kuphi ulalela abantu aba-600 ngenyanga mina laphana ngikhuluma nje uSpotify ufuna ukukunika imali eshisiwe ngikhuluma nawe ufuna ukuthenga ingoma ethi ngavele ngamnika ngixolisa ukusho lokho
bona ke bafethu into kukhanya ukhuzani la that is why kuthiwa ungashishi uhleke because kusasa ulazi namuva la bekhuluma kanjani about umthandeni ukuthi hayi uyastruggleisha ngama streams uyafufuza yena uzufuna iSpotify but today into change amatafula namhlanje. You understand? That is why as human being always trust the process. Themba isikhathi uNkulunkulu akubekele sona ayibona into le. Namhlanje umthandeni wenza ingoma bafethu eziphusha ngendlela eyisimanga futhi. You understand? Wenza ama million streams serious. Ama million streams yana amancane serious. And that time yena ukhuzani wengazi ukuthi vele ke ushuna uzohamba ngalendlela ohamba ngayo manje. Niyibona lonto le. So mina mfethu into engayitsho le video lena uthi ngiyayithanda engakhona iyakhombisa ukuthi ungasheshi uhleke umuntu because kusasa ulazi. Because abantu abaningi bayahleka namhlanje kanti abazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu ubekeleni for tomorrow yebo lonto le. So ikusasa lakho bafethu namhlanje ngabukeka linjani liyinhlekisa but kusasa umuntu wahlala bheka phansi ubondazini umdali make prepare for something ngiyakubona ke lokho. So I truly love into enzakala bafethu. It's a proof ukuthi umdala angachange amatafula wathi. You understand? Yes, make struggleisha back then there but manje change izinto ngenye indlela eyisimanga bafethu. I'm sure naye ukhuzani la khona uyathi ukuthi amthandeni azeni uphushile kakhulu ngabi and lamazwe yami ngawatch that time ngathi ngavendwa kuyisele movie but ke you can't because it's socially capture bafethu the case is out you see.